In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively clear your recently searched history on Shein using Google. This quick and easy process is perfect for when you want to tidy up your search log or simply start fresh with a clean slate. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shein website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Shein into your search bar, or simply clicking on the Shein link if you have it readily available. Once you're on the Shein homepage, you'll need to locate the search bar. It's usually found in the upper middle section of the page. This search bar is your gateway to exploring all the fashion products Shein has to offer, but today we'll be using it for a different purpose. Now click on the search bar. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing your recently searched items. These might be things you've looked up in the past, maybe while you were on the hunt for a trendy dress or a seasonal accessory. If you find this list getting a bit cluttered, clearing it out is a good practice. Within this drop-down menu, you'll notice a trash icon. This icon is often located nearby your search entries or at the bottom of your recently searched list, and it's what you'll use to clear your search history. Simply click on this trash icon to remove all your previous searches. This action will immediately clear the history, leaving you with a blank slate the next time you access the search bar. And just like that, you're done. Your recent search history on Shein has been successfully cleared. This is particularly useful when you want to maintain your privacy on shared devices or declutter your search experience for streamlined browsing. As a tip, remember that regularly clearing your search history can also help Shein's algorithm present more relevant results based on your latest and most up-to-date interests and searches. This can result in a more personalized shopping experience going forward. So there you have it, a quick refresher for your Shein search experience. Remember, keeping your digital spaces organized can make your online shopping more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you in the next one.